Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am super excited because there's one big thing which just popped up at my doorstep about a couple minutes ago, and it is this. Oh my god! Before I actually unwrap what is this, I actually got this from this company. As you can see from this logo, it's called the Circular Team. All right, so the Circular is actually it's a new company in Singapore. I think just recently set up a couple of months ago, whereby they actually allow people to actually rent certain electronic items for any duration you want. You know, it can be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, no, or even up to a year. And I mean, you can return it anytime during this entire rental period, or I mean, you can extend it further if you want to use it further, or you can actually just purchase it at the end of the at the end of the term, or anywhere along the line. But of course, I would like to actually just mention that this video is not sponsored. Let's get into it to unbox this item. Right, so finally it's here. It's the Apple AirPod Max. Right, wow. So I actually opted for the green color. I think the original name it's called over here. You see it here? Yeah, it's called the light green. Alright. So yeah. So because I wanted something a bit unique, so I opted for the green color. And something unique is that I'm not too sure you can see the logo here. It's shiny, but it's also green in color together with the headphone itself, right? And then at the back, you will actually show you an image of how the item will looks like with the smart case. Let's get into it. Right, so right out of the box, when you lift it up, you will actually see the headphone itself. Alright, it's very heavy and it's actually cold to touch. It's very cold to the touch. And of course, you have the lightning cable, some paperwork, alright, as you see in the video. So let's open this up. Alright, so this is the casing. You can hear that there's some magnets. Right. And then the cushion. Oh, it's very cold to the touch. Not too sure how it's done, but it's very cold to the touch. Like it just came out from the fridge. Right, let's remove the casing. Right, so yeah, it's first impression, it's metal over here, as you can see. Yep, and then the ear cups. So over here you can see it says right and left. So when you hold it, it's going to be this way, you know, and then you turn it this way, and this is a very nice mesh, so you can extend it, right, okay, and not much, the button here, right, okay, and then the dial, Reminds me of the Apple Watch dial. Yeah, okay, the dial is here. Right, oh, it's already turned on, as you can see here. Okay, so the lightning port is here. Right, then there's some grooves here. I think these are all the microphones to detect all the various noise cancellation. Alright, and then if you look inside, okay, there are holes here at the side, you see here. Yeah, I think this is to further isolate the sound. The cushion, oh my goodness, this is very okay, it's clothed. I think it's clothed. Yeah, it's very different, very different from what I have, which is the Sony WH-1000XM3. And then if I'm not wrong, I think this one is removable. Alright, so this one is magnetic. Right, I don't know how is it done, but it's magnetic. Ah, okay, so here you can see here there's a ring of magnets, I think, and then it's attached to this one. Okay, so it just pops in. Works the same for the right side. And this one, I think, is supposed to go in this way. Yeah. And then when you close it, by right, you will go into a deep sleep mode. So when you take it out, it will be back again. As you can see from here, there's a light flashing here. Right, so when you put it back in, you'll be back into a sleeping mode, deep sleep mode. Right. And then when you take it out, yeah, you see? White light flashing there. Yeah, so it's like it's back on. Maybe you're trying to connect. Okay, so now let's try to connect and see, you know, whether it works. Alright guys, so there you have it. So this has been my unboxing of the Apple AirPods Max, green color. I'll be testing it out for the next couple of weeks and months, and just to see what's the usability. And of course, if you want to see a comparison of the AirPods Max versus the Sony WH-1000XM3, which I have it here, okay, do comment in the section below. Alright, I will, you know, if you want that kind of comparison, do let me know. I will actually do one. Alright, and besides that, of course, it's just to mention about this new company which is called the Circular. I will leave the link down, you know, for those of you who are actually interested to find out more, like, you know, how you can actually become a member, and then after that you can actually try out some of the electronics or some of the products before you actually buy them, and you want to really see, you know, whether is it really suitable for you, you know, before you actually pay the full price. You know, you can go ahead, click the description link below. I mean, I will also add like a promo code, you know. Alright, so my name is Johnny. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.